Good morning, dear students. We will continue a few more questions based on the sum and difference of two angles in trigonometric functions. Now, I hope you are familiar with all the formulas and the questions we have discussed. Okay, now next question is cot squared pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan squared pi by 6 can be written as cot squared pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 can be written as 5 into 180 by 6. 180 by 6 is equal to 150 and 150 is equal to and it is a positive angle. 150 is equal to 60. So the angle between the terminal side and the x-axis is equal to 30. So this is equivalent to cosec 30 plus 3 tan squared pi by 6 can be written as 3 tan pi by 6 the whole square. That is equal to cot 30 the whole square plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. 2 by 1 plus 3 into tan 30. Tan pi by 6. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 the whole square. Cot 30 is equal to root 3 the whole square plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. Cancel out 3 plus 2 plus 1 and that is equal to 6. Now next question. 2 sin squared 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos squared pi by 4 plus 2 sec squared pi by 3 is equal to 10. Here the right hand side the value is given to you. So you have to prove that the value of the left hand side when simplified gives you 10. That is equal to 2 sin squared 135 degrees. How did I get 135 degrees? 3 pi by 4. That is equal to 3 into 180 by 4. 3 into 180 by 4 is equal to 135 degrees. That is 2 sin 135 degree the whole square plus 2 into cos 45 the whole square plus 2 into sec 60 the whole square. That is equal to 135. So when it comes to this 135, the remaining angle is equal to, and of course it is positive because the positive angle anti-clockwise rotation. So angle between the terminal side and the x-axis is 45 degrees. So 2 sin 45 degrees the whole square plus 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into what is secant 60. This angle is 60 degrees. Secant 60 is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is equal to 2 by 1 the whole square. That is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. That is 1 plus 1 plus 8 and that gives you 10. Now next value is find the value of sin 75 degrees and tan 15 degrees. We have done a similar question like this. But of course this is very important. You don't have to memorize the value, but the method of doing such type of questions is very important. Sin 75 degrees. Now how do you get sin 75 degrees? Sin 75 degrees can be written as sin 45 plus 30. Because I know the value of 45, sin 45, I know the value of sin 30. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to 1 by root 2 cos 30. What is cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. And of course you have to rationalize the denominator. Root 2 into root 2. That is equal to root 3 plus 1 into root 2 divided by 4. Clear? Yes. Now tan 15 degrees. 13A, 13B. Tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees can be written as tan 45 minus 30. Again, I am taking the values in such a way that I know the values of 45 degrees and 30 degrees. What is tan A minus B? What is tan A minus B? Is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Is equal to tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Tan 45 1 minus what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Common denominator root 3, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 cancel. It is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. That is equal to root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. This is root 3 minus 1 the whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. This is root 3 minus 1 the whole squared divided by 2. Next question. Prove the following. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Now, this is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and that is equal to cos of A plus B. So, of the form cos of A plus B, that is equal to cos of A plus B. A plus that is equal to cos of 2 pi by 4 plus minus x minus y. It is equal to cos pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this is equal to sin of x plus y, and this is your right hand side. This is your A, this is your B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. So that is cos of A plus B. B is minus x, A is pi by 4 minus x, and B is pi by 4 minus y. So cancel out common term. Cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is equal to sin of x plus y. Next one. Tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x the whole squared. Now, numerator is of the form LHS numerator. LHS numerator is of the form tan of a plus b, that is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b divided by tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b, which is equal to tan 45 is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x divided by here 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. This can be written as 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, and that gives you the answer. This is equal to 1 plus tan x the whole squared by 1 minus tan x the whole squared. Sin squared 6x minus sin squared 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Now here you have a formula, sin squared a minus sin squared b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. 6x. A is equal to 6x and b is equal to 4x. So left hand side can be written as sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, which is sin of 10x into sin of 2x, and that is your right side. The formula is sin squared a minus sin squared b is equal to sin a plus b into sin of a minus b. Next one. Cos squared 2x minus cos squared 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Now here you have to use the formula Sin squared 2x is equal to 1 minus sin squared 2x, or cos squared 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin squared x. Sin squared 1 minus 2 sin 1 minus sin squared x. So cos squared 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin squared 2x minus 1 minus 2 1 minus sin squared 6x. Open the bracket. 1 minus sin squared 2x minus 1 plus sin squared 6x. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. This is of the form sin squared 6x minus sin squared 2x. Now again this is of the form sin squared a minus sin squared b. That is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. This is equal to sin 8x into sin 4x, and that is your right side. Next question. Sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x, plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. This is of the form cos of n plus 1 into x, cos of n plus 2 into x, plus sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x, of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and that is equal to cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, that is equal to cos of A minus B. Okay, and that is equal to cos of nx plus x minus nx minus 2x, plus nx and minus nx cancel. This is equal to cos of x minus 2x, that is cos of minus x, and you have a formula cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos of minus x is equal to cos x, and that is your right side. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Now this is of the form, numerator is of the form cos A minus cos B, and denominator is of the form sin A minus sin B. So numerator is of the form cos A minus cos B, denominator is of the form sin A minus sin B. Now what is the formula? It is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 divided by 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x 14x by 2 14x by 2 into sin 4x by 2 divided by 2 cos 20x by 2 into sin 14x by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Sin 7x into sin 2x divided by cos 10x into sin 7x. Sin 7x and sin 7x cancel. This is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. That is your right side. So from all the questions what you have discussed here, you have seen that it is just the application of the formulas. So formulas are very, very important, and you have to memorize all the formulas. Next one. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. Now numerator is of the form sin A plus sin B, numerator, and denominator is of the form cos A plus cos B. Numerator is of the form sin A plus sin B, and denominator is of the form cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 divided by 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That is equal to 2 and 2 cancel. Sin 8x by 2 4x cos 2x by 2 cos x divided by cos 8x means cos 4x, and this is equal to cos x. Cos x and cos x cancel. Sin x by cos x is equal to tan x. Tan x, and that is your right side. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin squared x minus cos squared x is equal to 2 sin x. Now this can be written as minus of sin 3x minus sin x divided by cos squared x minus sin squared x is equal to cos 2x. And this is equal to minus cos 2x. Minus and minus cancel, which is equal to 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2 divided by cos 2x. That is equal to 2 cos 2x sin x divided by cos 2x. Cos 2x and cos 2x cancel. That is equal to 2 sin x, and that is your right hand side. Just goes the form question. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin squared x minus cos squared x. So what I did is I took a minus sign outside. Minus of sin 3x minus sin squared x. Sin squared x minus cos squared x is equal to, or cos squared x minus sin squared x is equal to minus cos 2x. So minus and minus cancel. This is of the form sin a minus sin b. That is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2 divided by cos 2x. That is 3x plus x 4x by 2 is equal to 2x. 2 cos 2x into sin x divided by cos 2x. Cos 2x and cos 2x cancel. It is equal to 2 sin x, and that is your right hand side. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. Now this can be written as simplified form. 2 sin 2x into cos minus x divided by 2 cos 2x into cos minus x. Cos minus x cancel. 2 cancel. This is equal to tan 2x. Now the next question. Question number 22. I hope it is clear. Sin x plus sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 divided by cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So cos of minus x cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, sin 2x by cos 2x is equal to tan 2x. Next question, question number 22. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos squared x into sin 4x. Now, here you can take it as 2 sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. Because this is different, I took first and the third term together. That is equal to sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. That is 2 sin 4x into cos minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x into cos 2x plus 1, because cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. 2 sin 4x into cos 2x can be written as 2 cos squared x minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into cos squared x into sin 4x. Once again, there are three terms: sin 2x plus sin 4 plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. What I did is I combined the first and the last term together. Sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x, that is equal to sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. That is equal to 2 sin 8x by 2 is 4x into cos 2x minus 6x is equal to minus 4x by 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x into cos 2x plus 1, because cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, and I took 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x is common. So 2 cos 2x plus 1. That is 2 sin 4x into cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos squared x minus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. So cos 2x is replaced by 2 cos squared x minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 cancel. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 cos squared x into sin 4x, and that gives you the right hand side. So again 1 or 2 questions are left in the exercise that you try it as homework, and next Wednesday you have a test paper on probability and trigonometry.